Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about the ratio. Okay, first we must revise on the divisibility. Okay, let's revise on the divisibility. What's the meaning of word divisibility? It means we can divide number by another number without remainder. Like if I said 6 divided 3 equal what? Yes, equal 2. So we don't have remainder. But if we said 6 divided 4, it means equal 1 and remainder, yes, 2. So here we have remainder. So we say that 6 is divisible by 3, but 6 is not divisible by 4. Okay. Let's see the rules of divisibility we talked about before in fourth grade. Okay, so the number is divisible by 2. If we revise table 2, we can find that the products like 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 10, 12, 16, and so on. So all numbers in table 2 are even numbers. And we know that the even number, which a number with a start like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So the number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit is an even number, like 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Okay, let's see, the number is divisible by 5 if, okay, let's revise table 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. So we can find that unit digit in table 5, 0 or 5. So the number is divisible by 5 if the unit digit is 0 or 5. Okay, let's see. In table 2, or divisible by 2, we said if it has 0, and divisible by 5 if it has 0. So the number is divisible by both 2 and 5 if the unit digit is 0. Okay. Complete. The number is divisible by what if it has 0 as unit? Let's remember any table contains 0 as unit. Remember? Yes, table 10. So the number is divisible by 10 also if it has 0 as unit. So the number is divisible by 2 and 5 if the unit digit is 0. The number is divisible by 10 if the unit digit is 0. Okay, the number is divisible by 3. Let's remember table 3. Table 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. Okay, 3, 6, 9. Then, if we add 12, اللي هي 1 plus 2, if we make sum of the digits of 12, it will be 3. If we make sum of digits of 15, it will be 6. If we make sum of digits of 18, it will be 9. So, the sum of digits in table 3 must be 3 or 6 or 9. Okay, so in divisibility by 3, the sum of the digits must be 3 or 6 or 9. Okay, the number is divisible by 4. In table 4, okay, or indivisibility by 4, we must look at the unit and tens. If unit and tens were product in table 4, so the number is divisible by 4. Okay, like 124 in table 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Okay? But 123 not divisible by 4 because 23 is not in table 4. Okay? Also, if the unit and tens were two zeros, like 100, 200, okay, also divisible by 4. So the number is divisible by 4 if the unit and tens were product in table 4. Or unit and tens was were two zeros, okay? Okay, let's see this example. Ahmed has 10 years old. His sister has 5 years old. Compare their age. Okay, let's see. Ahmed age. Huh? Can you think he has 10 years old and his sister has 5 years? Okay, we know that Ahmed is greater than his sister. But I need another way to compare. Okay, like you can tell me half, third, quarter. Okay, I need to hear this. Okay, so Ahmed 10 years old and his sister 5 years. So Ahmed age is, yes, twice age of his sister. And his sister age, if I want to start with his sister, so his sister will be half of Ahmed. So it will be half age of Ahmed. Half or two or twice, this, we call this ratio. We called it ratio. We called it ratio. So ratio is, we know that ratio is we may compare. So ratio is comparing between two or more quantities, but under condition, have same unit and same type. So what the meaning of have same unit? Have same unit, here we compare between years, okay, or between weights, or between tools, or between money. So we have same unit, okay. I can compare between kilogram and years, okay. So it can't be comparing. Okay, same type means if we have fraction, the other side will be fraction. If we have whole number, the other side must be whole number. Okay, so this is the meaning of same unit and same type. Okay, have, we can write it in another way. 1, 2, 1. These 2 points we called it 2, 2. Read as 1, 2, 2. Okay. 1 to 2, we know that this is first term and this is second term. We have two terms in any ratio, first term and second term. Okay, so ratio equal first term to second term. Or we can say first number to second number. Or antecedent to consequent. Antecedent to consequent. This number is antecedent and this number consequent. Okay. The ratio must be in simplest form. To call any relation or any comparison ratio must be in simplest form. Okay, like simplify 4 to 8. Okay, now you will know why we revised on divisibility. 4 and 8, both of them even numbers, so we can divide it by 2. And both of them are in table 4, so we can divide them by 4. Divided by 4, it will be 1 and it will be 2. 4 divided 4 equal 1, 8 divided 4 equal 2. 15 and 20. Here, the unit digit is 5 and the unit digit is 0. So both of them divisible by, yes, 5 divided 5. 15 divided 5 equal 3. And 20 divided 5 equal 4. 18 to 21. Okay, let's make the sum of the digits. 1 plus 8 equal 9 and 2 plus 1 equal 3. So both of them in table 3. So divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 equals 6 and 21 divided 3 equals 7. This is simplifying of ratio. It's very important. Okay. Here we have some relation between the shapes or figures in geometry and the ratio. Okay, let's see. The ratio between the side lengths of a square or rhombus and its perimeter. We know that the square and rhombus has 4 equal sides, and its perimeter or their perimeter equals side times 4. So we are going to make ratio between side and the perimeter. Side to perimeter. Okay. Side will be S like, okay, and the perimeter we know that it will be side times 4. Side times 4. So we are going to cross or to remove side and side. Remove it. Okay, so it will be 1. If I remove it, we will replace it with 1. It will be 1, it will be 4. So the ratio between side lengths of a square or rhombus and its perimeter, it will be 1 to 4. Okay, so again, side to perimeter, we will put side and perimeter equal side times 4. So here we have side and here we have side. Remove it together, will be 1 to 4. Okay, the ratio between the perimeter of a square or rhombus and its side, a reflection, it will be 4 to 1. Okay, number 3, the ratio between the side lengths of a square or rhombus. Two sides of a square or rhombus, we know that the all sides are equal, so the ratio between something equal will be 1 to 1. Also, if I want to make ratio between the diagonals, between two diagonals, we know that the ratio between the diagonals of a square, the square diagonals are equal. So the ratio between anything equal, it will be, yes, 1 to 1. Here, the ratio between the side lengths of equilateral triangle and its perimeter. We know that the equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. Okay, so let's make it side to perimeter. So we will put side S and perimeter side times 3. Okay, remove side with side and it will be 1 to 3. Okay, so the ratio is 1 to 3. If I reflect it, the ratio between perimeter and side lengths, it will be 3 to 1. The ratio between circumference and diameter. Do you remember the circumference? Yes, circumference equal, we have two rules of circumference, but here we need the rule which contain diameter. So the circumference equal diameter times pi. So let's make the rule circumference C, circumference equal pi times d, and diameter will be replaced with d. So as we make in this, remove diameter with diameter, okay, remove them, will be pi to 1. Okay, so the answer will be pi to 1 or pi over 1 اللي هي equal, yes, pi or pi, we know that the pi equal 22 over 7 or 22 to 7. Okay. The ratio between diameter and circumference, the reflect, it will be, yes, 1 to pi, 7 over 22 or 7 to 22. Okay, the ratio between the circumference and radius, circumference, the rule with radius, 2 times pi times r, right? Will be 2 pi to 1, right? So will be 2 pi to 1 اللي هي 2 pi or 2 pi 2 times 22 over 7 will be 44 to 7 or 44 over 7. The ratio between the radius and circumference will be 1 to 2 pi or 7 to 44 or 7 over 44. The ratio between radius and diameter, we know that the radius equal half diameter, so it will be 1 to 2. And the ratio between the radius and diameter, the ratio between diameter and radius, المفروض ان هي diameter and radius, it will be 2 to 1. Sorry for this mistake. Thank you.